Hi, my name is Miss Watt, and I am the College and Career Director here. I wanted to take an opportunity to introduce myself as well as get to know you guys a little bit better. I grew up on a farm north of Winfield, Kansas. I still go and help on the farm, and it's something that I've always had a passion for. So, through that passion, I actually became an agriculture educator and spent my first 9 years of education as an ag ed teacher in Oxford, Kansas. When I think about some of my interests, I love to be outdoors. Sometimes in the wintertime, I get a little stir crazy, but I absolutely love anything to do outdoors. Gardening, that's my dog in that picture. I love to travel and hike and stuff like that, and I enjoy running as well. Those are some of my interests. I also dabbled a little bit in photography for quite a while. I was a photographer on the side, and I like to be creative whenever I can be as well. I actually started my college career wanting to be an art teacher, but then shifted to ag education. So things change as you go along. My favorite subjects throughout school, I already talked about art, so that's kind of the photography. But I was in ag ed my entire high school career and did FFA, and I can't say that I would be where I'm at without those organizations. And I absolutely loved science. I think experimenting and being able to make a hypothesis and find something out, I think science is really cool. I know some people might think I'm crazy because of that. So why am I telling you all of this stuff? Well, one of the first assignments I want you guys to do is to create a video. Using your iPad, create a video that introduces yourself. And the only thing that you have to include are 3 interests or hobbies, 2 of your favorite subjects to learn about. I know that maybe you don't enjoy learning, you think, but even if it's the hands-on, you want to be in an engines class tearing apart an engine, I want to know those things. And what have you considered doing after high school? At this point, you don't need to know, and you can tell me, I don't know, I haven't considered anything. But I would really enjoy getting to know all of you better, and I can't wait to see your videos.